As road transport evolves, the road traffic density increases, which raises the requirements to all traffic control and safety components. One component of this kind involves road markings, which provide drivers and pedestrians with appropriate information. The quality and durability of applied road markings directly depend on the specifications of the paint used and the technology for its production. Modern methods of making road markings require the use of new high-quality materials that ensure long-term maintenance and clear visibility of road markings under all conditions. Most road marking paints are typically produced by means of special bead mills, wherein the constituents are fed together with crushed glass beads or glass charge and mixed for several hours. However, this method has a number of significant disadvantages, including a low dispersion of glass particles, a low capacity, a high input of materials, and a high power consumption, up to 100 kilowatts. For this reason, it is relevant to introduce new technologies that will enhance the efficiency of producing the road marking paints, as well as improve their physical and chemical properties. In view of the above, GlobeCore has developed a technology for road marking paint production with the use of AVS Vortex layer machines. The operation principle of Vortex layer machines is based on the effect of a rotating electromagnetic field and the mechanical impact of working media, metal needles, that move along complex trajectories in the stream of processed materials. Intensive mixing, grinding, and ionization of paint constituents occur in response to a high energy concentration. As a result, the processes, such as dispersion, electrolysis, local pressure changes, and tribological interaction, contribute to activating the constituents and increasing their reactivity. The degree of materials blending increases, making it possible to achieve high homogenization of the mixture and uniform distribution of pigment particles in the paint volume. The result involves increased hardness, strength, and adhesion of paints and varnishes, as well as greater resistance to structural changes during storage. Another advantage of using an AVS is the ability to grind solid paint constituents to the required size several times faster than in conventional mills. Furthermore, the technology reduces the use of supplementary functional additives, such as defoamers or thickeners, by distributing them in a more efficient way. The use of AVS allows achieving a high level of homogenization for the paint, which has a positive effect on its durability and wear resistance compared to the road marking paints produced by conventional methods. The main advantages and primary features of Vortex layer machines in the process of road marking paint production are as follows. Capacity, up to 3 cubic meter per hour. Compact dimensions, ability to be integrated into the existing paint production process lines. Low power consumption, depending on the model, 4.5 to 9.5 kilowatts. Decrease in the volume of required additives due to more complete distribution thereof in the finished paint. Noiseless running, easy maintenance and operation. Improved quality and, most importantly, durability, which is essential for the paints used in road marking application. Vortex layer machines can be used in producing the paints and varnishes other than road marking paints. For instance, the oil-based paints produced with the use of AVS have more intense colors, and their primary features, such as the covering ability and the uniformity, are superior to those of conventional counterparts. Similarly, the water-based paints produced by means of Vortex layer machines are characterized by better performance properties. And what kind of challenges is your paint and varnish production facility facing? Please share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for road marking paint production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.